go. Getting ready to brave the snow, go out for the weather update. Oh, Jesus. Oh!
So dramatic.
Crazy out here. Oh my God. I mean, it's crazy out here. Driving in these conditions. 11:20. Schools are closed all over the 7 cities. Schools are getting out early due to snow. This is nuts. This is nuts. Everybody, be very careful while on the roads. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this red light up here. I wonder if this light is red and these cars are all waiting at it due to the snow. Whew. Man, look at that car making a run for the ocean front. This is nuts. My goodness, since I left work earlier today, I have not been able to brave the inclement conditions here in Hampton Roads, but for you, just so you know how serious it is outside and not to go out, not to take the chance, I will now do it for you. Here we go. My God. Gotta get back to the house. I did it. I did it. I did it. I'm alive. Oh, I didn't think I was gonna make it. Julie must have your blankie. Oh, Julie. Whatever you do, don't go out in these treacherous conditions.
What are you laughing at, Claire?